YouTube. I ordered a whole nother gallon of paint and some hardener, wet look hardener. The paint came out good, but I wasn't happy with the results of my body work. I missed a whole lot of body work, so if I'm gonna do repair that, scuff the whole car up, and shoot it again. Learn from my mistakes. I'm trying to get this took care of, so I can hit the road and go get the lack down in Missouri. 4th of July weekend, I'll be doing that. My son gonna roll with me. Y'all gonna see some updates on him. I'm keeping him OG. Probably throw some throwback rims on it. Keep it old school. Keep it classic. Yeah, YouTube, just feeling y'all in. Alright. Still not do nothing to it. Still dusty.